There are two types of fatty liver disease: alcoholic fatty liver and non-alcoholic fatty liver. The latter is more common, affecting a significant number of people. While alcohol is a well-known cause of fatty liver, nutritional deficiencies can also lead to this condition. One crucial nutrient that plays a vital role is choline. Choline isn't technically a vitamin, but is considered an essential nutrient, meaning it must be consumed through our diet since the body cannot produce sufficient amounts on its own. Choline belongs to the B vitamin group, alongside vitamins like B12 and folic acid. Its primary functions include metabolizing fats and proteins, which are essential for the body's growth, repair, maintenance, brain development, liver function, muscle movement, and nerve function. A critical role of choline is to help remove fat from the liver. When choline is not present in the body in adequate amounts, fat begins to accumulate in the liver, leading to fatty liver disease. Choline deficiency is quite common, often due to a genetic defect known as polymorphism. This condition affects the enzymes involved in choline metabolism, making choline less usable by the body. As a result, it's necessary to increase choline intake to counteract this deficiency. Unfortunately, our regular dietary patterns may not provide enough choline, especially when combined with other factors like long-term use of corticosteroids, high intake of omega-6 fatty acids, and certain vegetable oils that cause inflammation. Additionally, excessive intake of carbohydrates and fructose, often found in sugar and sugar-based products, can also contribute to fatty liver. Other contributing factors include eating disorders like anorexia nervosa, gastric bypass surgery, long-term use of parenteral nutrition, and antibiotics. Anorexia nervosa leads to severe malnutrition, causing deficiencies in choline, vitamin D, folic acid, B12, and B3. This poor nutrition damages the liver and can result in fatty liver disease. Gastric bypass surgery, which creates a small pouch in the stomach and bypasses part of the small intestine, also disrupts the digestion process. This operation affects the gastrointestinal hormones that aid digestion, leading to nutritional deficiencies that can convert into fatty liver over time. Parenteral nutrition involves injecting certain nutrients into the body through four. However, these nutrients are often synthetic and may not include all essential vitamins. This method can lead to deficiencies, which in turn may cause fatty liver. The fourth reason is antibiotics. These medications can disrupt the gut microbiome, which plays a role in choline production. Overuse of antibiotics, often through self-medication, can kill beneficial gut bacteria, leading to a choline deficiency. To combat choline deficiency and fatty liver, it's essential to include choline-rich foods in your diet. Some of these foods might surprise you, as they are often misunderstood as contributors to fatty liver. Excellent sources of choline include egg yolks, organ meats like liver, beef, chicken, leafy vegetables such as cabbage, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts, nuts, almonds, flax seeds, peanuts, and fish. Healthy fats, when included in a balanced diet, do not cause fat accumulation in the liver. Some studies misrepresent this by focusing solely on high-fat diets without considering the combination of high carbohydrates. If you have fatty liver, I recommend increasing your choline intake. Start with 3 grams a day and gradually reduce it, but always consult with your primary doctor to ensure this approach is safe for you. Increasing choline intake can significantly help speed up the removal of fat from the liver. In addition to dietary changes, adopting a ketogenic diet can enhance the effectiveness of choline. Regular exercise, even a simple 20-minute walk daily, can also be beneficial. These lifestyle changes, combined with increased choline intake, can help manage and improve fatty liver disease. If these tips help you, please share them with others. Your support can make a difference. Take care, and see you in the next video.